This is a service elevator near the changing/locker rooms at Seven Springs Mountain Resort in Seven Springs, Pennsylvania. This is an old General/Reliance elevator with GAL fixtures. Case fire not use elevator. Very old elevator. Newer GAL lantern, older GAL fixtures. Go to 2. None of the buttons light up. Here we go up. This is a rather old elevator. Probably from the 1970s or 80s. Here are 2. We'll go back down to the basement, which is where the changing/locker rooms are. That's your stop switch. ADA phone. Looks like the box may have been replaced. Pretty basic, very basic, worn down fake wood green cabin, case 5 nose elevators. Pretty basic elevator, rather old, rather run down. Here, back up to the basement. One is the kitchen, so I'm not going to go there. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.